Hi, welcome to another video of Miss T Ideas. Is either feast or famine. Uh, Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been rocking with me the whole time, welcome back. I'm just here for a fast, quick video of a surprise that I got. I want to share it with you. Y'all know I went on vacation last week, and when I got back, I had some beautiful packages waiting on me. I posted one, and here's the other. This is just random acts of kindness. You know, it's getting hard to find magazines out there. It's getting hard to find. And I was sent these magazines. I've never seen these magazines before. And they're pretty. Beautiful. That's one. Let's see if I can put this on the side of here. Two. I'm trying to be mindful of my time, look, and y'all, the feel of it. And all of it was purposely, artfully picked from one of the ladies that is in my group, Crafting for Health group. And that's sweet. Beautiful. And all of them, every one of them, y'all, got art in them. Arts and craft in them. Every one of them have a segment of that. Look at here. I mean, beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful magazines. I appreciate it so, so much. I needed magazines. I was surprised though when I opened them. I didn't know what it was. The Bible says you have not because you ask not, I guess. Miss T Ideas, I just wanted to share these with you. How beautiful they are. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.